Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to price for bookkeeping services. Before I get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribe. We will try to personally reply to your comments. Let's get into the video. The first thing I just want to start and give a brief description of what is bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is the recording of financial transaction and is part of the process of accounting in business. Transactions can be purchases, sales, receipts, and payments by an individual person or an organization or corporation. I want to look at the importance of bookkeeping before I start talking about prices, or you should price your bookkeeping services. Bookkeeping is very, very important to small business owners. Small business owners have to keep track of their records. They need proper records for many different reasons. For example, a big reason is they need to file their taxes. For them to be able to file their taxes, they need to get proper financial records to be able to file their taxes. Another big importance is they want to make decisions. Business owners need to make decisions concerning their business, the day-to-day operation of their business. They may decide to acquire funding to do expansion. So they will need to know where the financial of the business is. So that means they need to have good records. So bookkeeping is important for that purpose also. They really need to know where their financial is so they can, as I said, make financial decisions for the business. Also, they may want to bring on employees. Um, One thing that's important if you want to bring employees, you need to know if you can afford the employees. And one way to know that is having your books up to date, having your books done properly. So you can have your financial report to see if you can take on more employees and so on. Also, they may be renting, they may be leasing a storefront, and they may want to go ahead and purchase their own real estate, their own building. And with proper records, they will be able to know what the business is doing so they can take on such expansion. So that's another big importance of bookkeeping. In general, bookkeeping is really important for the business owner. As I said, probably the main thing is to find out, know day to day the financial position of their business, what their business is doing, and whether it's making a profit or making a loss, so they can make strategic decisions on a daily basis. So bookkeeping is very, very important. Any small business owner or any business that do not have a bookkeeper, you could most likely see that they are struggling with growth. So it's a very important service for all small businesses all around the United States, actually anywhere in the world. And most small businesses that have a good bookkeeper, you could see that they have a lot of expansion. There's a lot of growth. So it's a service that mustn't be taken lightly, and that's why it's very important. It really is a how you say it, it's there's really a demand for it, and it's a really important service for any business, and it's a service all businesses needs. In terms of the companies, I would say any company, as I said, any company, you would say, look at different industries from medical, you look at business. When I say business, it might be a marketing firm, a consulting firm, it might be a finance company. They all need bookkeeping services. So that's why it's very, very important. It's a very important aspect, with no doubt, of any company that's growing, any small business that's growing, they have a good bookkeeping system and a good bookkeeper. So let's look at the area about how much to charge for bookkeeping services. I would first recommend offering three main price level for your bookkeeping services. You could name it one as the smallest package, the first level, the second, the mid second level. You could call it the mid package, and the third package you could call it the largest. I've seen different people call it. I've seen different names for it, like premium, basic, and so on. But it's up to the bookkeeper what he wants to name the different. But definitely, I would go ahead and set up free price levels. You would charge at free level. One level is that price, the second level at that price, and the third level at that price. So you'll have three different levels of charging. And the charging should be per month. You would be charging per month, not by hourly. I do not recommend hourly because hourly means you have to try to measure everything you do, and I don't think it's a good way to charge for your service. I think a fixed rate every month would be the better bet. I have seen that being used. I use that in my bookkeeping service, and it's been very, very successful for me. Right now, I know hourly rate we use before, but I believe in 2020, a fixed base fee would be the best way to go with, as I said, three different packages, and you can name them whatever name you decide to name it. But I would go with that. Um, in terms of the packages, the first package, which would basically be the smallest package, I would say on that package, I would basically do bank reconciliation on that, data entry, um, and generating the financial reports. Mainly those three things. On a daily, monthly basis, I would record the transactions, I would reconcile the books, and I would generate the financial report on that first package. You could call it the smallest package. Keep in mind that that package, the price for that package would be a fixed price of $500. I would start with $500. I would not go below that. If a business owner cannot pay you $500 per month on that price level, I don't think you should work with them. It really don't worth it. If you're gonna be doing the work for less than 500, it really don't worth it. I think it doesn't matter if it's startup or they've been in business for 5, 10 years. It really doesn't matter. Um, 500 to start is a really good price to be on the first level, the smallest package. That would be really good. So now let's look at the second package, which I would say the second level or the mid-level package. With this second package, I would or the mid-level package, I would do services under that package like accounts receivable, accounts payable, and everything that was included in the first package, which is data entry, bank reconciliation, and generating the financial reports every month. So the mid package or the second package really entails the first package plus you add services like accounts receivable, accounts payable on that package. Um, the pricing I would go for on the mid package, I would charge that anywhere between 750 and 800 for the mid package, and that would be fixed per month. So we already discussed the first package, which is 500. The second mid package would be between 750 and 800. And let's look at the third package, which is the largest package. I also call it the best package, which you will go ahead and include everything on the first, second package. Plus, on this third package, you would include things like consulting work. More or less, when I say consulting work, I'm giving them advice on to grow their business beyond just bookkeeping services. You probably include financial coaching in this, coach and consult them on growing their money, probably giving them advice on, coaching on where to put their money in investment vehicles like Roth IRAs, 401k for their company and their employees if they have employees. So that's why that food package will be $1,000. Also, on the third package, you would want to go ahead for that $1,000 per month. You'll want to go ahead and include income tax return. I recommend do the taxes for them. If you're doing the bookkeeping, I would go ahead and try to do the income tax return for them as well. But instead of waiting for um, during the tax season before April 15 to their taxes, I would give them tax planning services under that $1,000 per month package also. And I would just go ahead and add the tax return fee to that package. So for example, if you're going to charge them, let's say $600 to do their tax return, I would go ahead and just add it to that package, break it down. So 500 by 12, whatever that is, um, let's say it's $600 you're going to charge them for the tax return. So 50 times 12 is 600. So you'll add another $50 to that package for the tax return. And with that package, you'll also include filing the forms like the W-2 at the end of the year, the 1099 for the end of the year. All the payroll taxes will be filed also under that 1,000 per month price range. So that is the largest package. It will include a lot more work. You would give email support under that also, where you would interact with them via email probably three times a week. So it will entail a little more work. That's why you are charging them $1,000 per month for it. So as I said, this package will include everything, the first, second, plus you would include financial coaching for them, um, the W-2s, you would include the 1099, the tax return fees under that package, and basically anything to grow the business. It could be wealth management. You would include that in that package also, under that $1,000 per month package. And this package, you will do a lot more work, but it's worth it. I believe with this package, you will probably grow your bookkeeping business faster because if you can get 10 clients under this package, you'll be at six figures. So this is probably a package you'll probably look into to put in front of the clients and advise them why they should take that package, because this package is just more than just bookkeeping. You will give them wealth management, will help them to grow faster if their businesses. So that's my take on the on how to price, how to charge for bookkeeping services. As I said, I break it down on the three levels, and I think this has actually worked for me, and I recommend it to anybody that want to start their bookkeeping business and are wondering how they should charge for their services. In conclusion, charging the right price will help you as a bookkeeper to reach your financial goal. It will also help you manage your time better because you do not want to charge low. For example, $100 per month, which means you will need a lot more clients to meet your financial goals. The thing about charging low will also cause you to work with the wrong clients, will result in making you unhappy. However, if you charge your worth, you will always attract clients who wants to work with you, and also clients you want to work with, which will lead to you working within your time schedule and giving a lot more freedom in time to do other things. Also, working with clients that pay you your worth will help you to grow your bookkeeping business faster and retain your clients years after years. Thanks for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, click on the link below in the description of the video to download my free ebook on the 5 legal tax loopholes for tax saving strategies for individuals and business owners.